namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm taking control of the Magata Dlanyoka, of course, loing at taking Lincoln, Dr. Joshua Mani. Yeah, so previous Mamson, if you enter a video, Dlanyoka Kakombi, Dr. Joshua Man, a manager. Nah, don't go with the gigi. I would send you, Dr. Joshua Man, why at the comb. I need that video.
Jara, Dr. Joshua Man, logo Mengan Bon Gigin, Menga Foinel Mina, Foinelan Bona, Menajara. He wona faneba bashamla ku why Dlanyo ka ngari kona ka gigi bona manager
however the same exact date, of course, the 15th of March, if we like 15th April, if we under another video long if we had deleted the previous video link deleting even then I will use this one. So what's happening Dlanyo, so I fully need to if you ka kuyini.
So Singales guys, nikombela khomeriwa ka n'wina defense ta Team Sherman na lava nga swi nga va khumba ka live ya ni nga endla nikombela khomeriwa guys. Dr. Joe Sherman ko va producer ya mina, so mani swi teke ku ri i manager because ni ri manager, so matsonga ka hina nikombela ku ri mi ni khomela guys, ni khomeleni.
I'm careful with my words, mara shouldn't know why corner like how did you conclude is your manager? Because this video, if you can't himself, of course, you will phone another Dr. Joshua Man. If you himself with Pella, both me producer, and manager, so kahle maka loko over here not the kahle mina ani won't red flag the previous video ko mina my job is to report kuna that section ngafika twa Dlanyo ka Africa ako ka the previous video, of course
me manager mina na so sinavula manager mina Dr. Joshua Man, and then I wanna show was Steve ku manager mina
Mr. ako na mina ni sure na wa Steve me twin that bond yona red flag liya ko ninga hito ka the previous video ko na problem kuna problem la ni sure na va swi tiva, which means sure aku hava any formal agreement kwalana Dlanyo ko to vulela ku ya hi yena mayikumela mhaka lewa. So I chanka for Dr. Joshua Man yira I manager yena eish no man eish ay
so nkombela ku ri mi ni khomela mkhulu call ya n'wina leyi mi nga ni fonela ni khense ngopfu ku mi nyika advice ya nkoka ngopfu na mi ni twa ni tsakile loko mi ni advice loko ni endla swilo swo huma endleleni. Ko va moya Satan hi yona nghenelelaku
as a veteran overall a kombela apology leswi a kha endla swona i ri ko moya nga nghenela se mara moya wu nghena njhani if ti accuse munhu ku is your manager kha u nga ri manager ya wena, so Dlanyo kahle swi loko i hembini hi ndlela yin'wana leswi a nga swi vula ka the previous video a ko va vun'wa Dr. Joshua Man a hi manager ya yena hi sweswo. So ni ka Team Sherman ni kombereni ku va a rivaleriwa a ridza ni tivi vona ku va ta swi receive njhani ti-members, because already like loko ni langutisile mina Dlanyo ka a ve loko n'wi tsakeleni le ka Team Sherman defense le a ti ku njhani swi tivi. I think guys okay koko le i accusation leyi nga kona ni nga yi vona within Team Sherman va fika va accuse Dlanyo ka ku ri hi yena a nga sendela Hosi Ngove Mr. Post album ya Dr. Joshua Man last year loko yi photla leswiya i accusation leyi nga kona yaleyo. So I think na yona mkhulu maybe yi nga tlhela yi vuya kambe va swi lunghisa kambe like maybe va tlhela va vulavula kambe swona eka live if i ntiyiso ku a yena nga yi photlisa, because i le ku zondweni Dlanyo ka team hi leswi ni nga swi notisa mina and then swi tlhela swi nyanyisa na hikuva a tirhi na psychology swi tiva enemy ya Dr. Joshua Man a hi xihundla sweswo, so a tirha na enemy ya team, so naswona sweswi na mina a redzi kokwani yo okay ya tika guys ya tika a tirha na enemy mara koko i munghana wa yena swoko swa confuse nyana i munghana wa yena psycho khala va ri bra, so a tirha le so mara loko hi hi swi langutisa hi sayiti rin'wana naswona ku a swi ndlela for money hikuva a vona a nga ri ku benefiteni in terms of sayiti ra na ra team so kwalani we can support him swi va swi ri wrong mara at the same time is not a nga ri ku benefiteni ka team xi ri manini overall so we can still support him in that regard so hayi ya tika mhaka leyi.
Ben man lawyer mina, man lawyer la, man lawyer mina. Mere mane mono mina nale kaya mane mono la, bare mane mono la, bare menenzana me, mere menenzana la nentis ne menenzana malage, anenzana me, anenzana manane, anenzana me na fuck off, shit come on anemono, bare menenzana me na kabona menenzana.
Beli amina.